In this video, I'll guide you through how to make transparent text in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're creating a sleek title sequence or adding a subtle watermark to your video, transparent text can give your project a professional and polished look. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the edit page. This will be our workspace for adding and customizing our text. Once there, it's time to add a text plus title to your timeline. To do this, head over to the effects library, which you can find on the top left of your screen. Click on it, then scroll down to the title section. Here, you'll see a variety of text options, but for our purposes, we want to select text plus. Simply drag and drop this onto your timeline where you want your transparent text to appear. Now that you have your text clip on the timeline, the next step is to customize it. Click on the text clip to select it and then open the inspector panel on the right side of the interface. The inspector is where you can modify various settings of your text, such as font, size, and color. But what we're interested in is making the text transparent. So let's focus on that. Within the inspector, you'll want to locate the shading tab. Click on it and you'll see different elements that you can adjust. We're going to work with element 1 first, which is responsible for the main fill of the text. By default, this is the solid color that appears in your text. To make the text transparent, we'll need to turn its opacity down to 0. This essentially removes the fill color, leaving the text outline visible. With the fill now transparent, we'll make the outline stand out. To do this, enable element 2. This option allows you to add an outline to your text, which will remain visible even when the fill is transparent. Once element 2 is enabled, set it to outline. You'll notice your text now has an outline, but you might want to adjust it to fit your design. Take a moment to adjust the thickness and color of the outline to your liking. This step is crucial as it determines how prominent the text will appear against your video background. If you're going for a subtle look, you might opt for a thinner outline. Conversely, a thicker outline can make your text pop if that's the effect you're aiming for. Don't forget to pick a color that contrasts well with your video content, ensuring the text is readable regardless of the background. And there you have it. You've successfully created transparent text in DaVinci Resolve. This technique is incredibly versatile and can be customized in countless ways to enhance your video projects. With these steps, you can easily add a touch of flair to your videos, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy editing.